The main torch we all use, everybody has one on board, is the whole model, the head torch, which is an amazing. It's light. You have to charge it on USB, which is quite good. You don't need to carry battery, and it's green. It's good, and it's very strong, very powerful, and you can choose if you want a strong or low light, and you can choose between red and white, and it's exactly what we need for sailing. So it's a perfect one. I've been looking for it for years and years, and I found it, and it's quite comfortable also to carry it, so which is good. And we also use always the same trim torch. We have a mob, also with a mob system, so if someone falls in the water, we can throw it in the water and it will act as a mob light, but it's also a very powerful light. We use it for trimming, and what is good, because it's light, we can carry in our trousers, in our wet weather gear, and we don't feel it, so this is a perfect one for me.